to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a shop with me, and this is going to be a grocery edition. So we're at Winn-Dixie right now, and I have my son Uriah with me. Can you say hi? Hi. So we're going to go inside and I'm going to share with you guys what I like to pick up. So I'm just going to be shopping for the week, so let's go. Alright guys, so I'm back from the grocery store and this is everything that I picked up. So today's bill was about $230, which is normally a little bit more than what I like to spend or what we normally spend. So we did just get back from vacation, so the refrigerator is completely empty. So I pretty much just needed to restock on a lot of stuff. So I just wanted to share with you guys everything that I picked up and also give you an idea of what I like to have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's start here, and these little things are actually oatmeal. So for breakfast, I always like to have oatmeal or protein shake. So this oatmeal right here is actually the Nature's Path organic, and it's really easy because all you have to do is add water or milk to it, put it in the microwave, and it's really easy, it's really quick. So for breakfast, I normally like to do something like this, something that I know is going to be really easy and simple, and these are really, really great. So yeah, it's organic, and this one's the summer berries. They have different flavors. So this one's actually maple pecan, and then the other one they have is coconut cashew. So yeah, they have a lot of different flavors just in case you want a little bit of variety. So a typical breakfast for me is oatmeal, fruit. We also love turkey bacon. So this is the turkey bacon that we use. It's by the brand Butterball. So yeah, we have turkey bacon in the mornings. Uriah will have a scrambled egg. So we pretty much like to keep it really simple. And then if I'm not having oatmeal, I like to do a protein shake. And you guys probably know that I've been using the 310 Nutrition, which I absolutely love, love, love. So my favorite flavor is the salted caramel. It tastes so great. So I've been mixing it with the Silk almond milk. So I have two different ones. I have this one that's the 80 calories, and then I have this one that's the 30 calories. So this one's unsweetened. This is the one that I normally like to use in my protein shake. So right now you can get the 310 Nutrition starter kit for 70% off, and it's free shipping on all orders over $50. So you're getting like over an $80 savings, and I really have been enjoying the 310 Nutrition because it doesn't have all of that extra added sugar. It's plant-based, so it's just a really great protein overall. I really love the salted caramel. Normally I just like to add a banana and then the almond milk, and it just tastes absolutely amazing. So in the kit you get the 310 meal replacement shake, and you can choose between vanilla, chocolate, or salted caramel. You also get the 310 shaker cup. It comes with the single servings of the meal replacement shakes. You get the 310 tea original. It also comes with the lemonade mix, and you get a $10 gift card and so much more. So if you guys are interested in checking it out, then be sure to check out the link below. So for breakfast, I normally like to do something that's really simple, really quick and easy, and I try to be healthy. I'm not the healthiest person because, you know, I got some snacks and stuff in the mix, but I do try to be as healthy as I can be. So yeah, for breakfast, it's either oatmeal or the 310 Nutrition shake. So one reason I really love to shop at Winn-Dixie is because they always have really great meats. Like the meats just look really good. So I'm really picky about where I pick my meats up. So I picked up these beef oxtails per Colton's request. So I'm not really sure what he's gonna do with these. I don't even know if he's ever cooked oxtails, but yeah, I got those. And then we have some zucchini and squash. So this is really simple. You can cut this up and put it in some aluminum foil with a little butter, salt, and black pepper, and they are so great. So that's something really simple that I like to do. And I always like to get, you know, the salad mix so I can leave it in the refrigerator 2 weeks later and throw it away. You know, I feel like that's what I do with all the salad mix. I always buy it just to throw it away. But I'm gonna try to eat it this time and try to make like an avocado shrimp salad. That's something that I really like to make, and it's so good. And then we have some Italian dressing, because Italian dressing is just great. You can use it to marinate your meats. It's just a really great marinade. I like to use it on a lot of different stuff, so I always pick up Italian dressing. Then we have some goldfish, because that's one of Uriah's favorite snacks, and I like them as well. Then I got a few different fruits, so we have some peaches here, and then we also have bananas, so that's what I like to use with my shake. Then we have some grapes, because that's normally what Uriah likes to have for breakfast. And then we do have the eggs. Now, I will say the eggs at Winn-Dixie are a little bit more on the expensive side. I know at Walmart you can get like 60 eggs for like $3. It is crazy. So yeah, these are a little bit more on the expensive side. But I also have some Eggos, and we got these because Uriah loves Paw Patrol. So yeah, these are little Paw Patrol waffles. And then corn dogs. So I am a corn dog mom. Like, when it comes to lunch for Uriah, I want to make sure that it's something that's just really easy and simple and that I know he's gonna eat. So I know these are not the best in the world, but he loves them and he eats them, so that's all that matters. Then I also got a cucumber to go in the salad that I'm gonna make this week. Then we have these little cutie oranges. So we all like to eat these, but Uriah is really obsessed with them. So what I like to do is peel a few of them and put them in the refrigerator so they'll be nice and cold whenever he eats them. He also loves these little Cheeto cheese puffs, but what Kia doesn't like, this is like his all-time favorite snack. Then we have some coffee. So Colton's the coffee drinker around here. I don't think he's really picky, because I feel like we always get a different one, but this is just the Community New Orleans blend. And I think that was like buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one half off. And then we have this organic in the raw nectar, and this is something that Colton normally uses. So whenever he makes his marinades, he'll normally add something like this to the mix. So yeah, we always like to pick up something like that. Then we have another almond milk. So this is soy free and it's unsweetened. So this is my first time trying this, but I just wanted to check it out and see what it was all about, because I really like the packaging, and it's only 35 calories per serving. And I really love that Winn-Dixie has these little meals in a bag. So this one has tilapia, broccoli, and carrots in it. It's really simple. They only cost $6. So that's about the price that you would pay for like something in fast food. So I love to have these for lunch when it's just me. I can throw it in the oven, and it normally takes about, it says 5 minutes, but it normally takes about 7 to 10 minutes to cook. So it's really easy and really simple. So I also got one that has shrimp in it. So this one has the shrimp and then zucchini and squash. And then it also has this kind of butter garlic seasoning that comes in it as well. So yeah, only $6, really easy. And then also I got some mahi-mahi, and this was only $5.80 with the Winn-Dixie card. So yeah, they do have deals if you have a card with them, which the card is free, or was whenever I got mine. So it should still be free. So we really try to stay away from pork. So I like to get these little lamb chops. Now, these are a little bit more on the expensive side. So it's only 2 small chops, and this was $11.29, but they're really, really great. And just to give Uriah a little bit of variety when it comes to lunch, I like to get these little Chef Boyardees, because they're really easy. You just throw them in the microwave. I know it's not the healthiest, but it's really easy and he likes it. So yeah, this is the spaghetti and meatballs, and these were like 10 for 10 or something like that. I don't know, but I only got 4 of them. Then we also have some Smart Water. We have another thing of coffee. So yeah, it was like buy one, get one free. Then we have some apples. So Uriah absolutely loves apples. And for a really easy snack, I like to have this fruit and nut granola. So sometimes I will eat this alone, but most of the times I just like to add it on top of my yogurt, and it tastes really great. And I like to think that it's pretty healthy for you. So yeah, that's really great. And then the juice drinker is Colton. So We have, I don't even know what flavor this is. I'm guessing it's some type of lime since it has a lime on it. So yeah, I got 2 of these because they were like buy one, get one free. So this is the peach one. Then we also have some lemons because I love to add lemon to my lemon water just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. Of course, we have to have anything that's Paw Patrol. If Uriah is with me and he sees Paw Patrol, he has to have it, even though he doesn't even really watch Paw Patrol. He watches Puppy Dog Pals. I don't know, but he calls everything Paw Patrol. So yeah, I don't know, but he loves it. Then we also have some sweet potatoes because I feel like you can add a sweet potato to any meal. So if you're just having like some grilled chicken, you got some green beans in the cabinet, then you can add a sweet potato with it, and that's just a really quick 10-minute meal that you can throw together. So a sweet potato I feel like is always a necessity. And I did pick up a pack of chicken, and this is the 4-pack. So a lot of the times I like to split the chicken in half because they are pretty big, and then I'll put it in a Ziploc bag and I'll freeze it that way. But I always like to get a pack of chicken. Then I got some corn, and I love this corn for grilling. It tastes so good. It's actually sweet corn, so I just like to wrap it in some aluminum foil, and whenever we're grilling, Colton will throw it on the grill, and it's just really, really great. And then I also got some ground turkey. So I like to use this sometimes when I make spaghetti or just different dishes. I meant to pick up some kale, but I totally forgot. So normally I will mix ground turkey with kale and add a few other vegetables, and that's a really quick meal that I like to make as well. Then we have some more little packs of lettuce. And then we have some blueberries and also some strawberries. Uriah loves both of these, so he'll have them a lot of the times with his breakfast, with his waffles and stuff like that. So yeah, he's a big lover of fruit, so I'm so appreciative of that. And then I love Pringles, so these were actually buy 2 get 2 free. So I actually got 3 of the regular ones and then 1 barbecue one because Colton always says that I'm lame for liking the original Pringles. Like, I feel like the original is the best, but he always says I'm lame for that. And then we have some olive oil. So this is normally what we like to cook in, and we didn't have any. So this is actually buy 1, get 1 free. And if you guys ever shop at Winn-Dixie, you will notice that they have a lot of that. Another thing I really love about Winn-Dixie is that they have fresh meat. So this is shrimp. So I got 1 pound, and I'm gonna be using this to make my shrimp avocado salad. That is so great. Then I also got some popcorn, and this is just a really low calorie snack. It's only 100 calories. So this is something that I just like to have whenever I'm feeling a little snack attack. So I like to make sure that it's something that doesn't have too many calories. And then I forgot to show you guys these little Italian ice, but I really like these, and they're 100 calories as well. So if you feel like you get somewhat of a sweet tooth after dinner, this is something really great to have because it doesn't have all of those extra calories. Alright guys, so that's pretty much everything for my grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget that you can get the 310 Nutrition Starter Kit right now for $39. So I will have a link listed below just in case you guys are interested in checking that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!